Hi guys, today I'm making my Tuscan style chicken breast in 20 minutes. This is an outstanding recipe, packed with flavour. You're going to want to watch this one till the end, follow it step by step because it's an outstanding dish, especially in 20 minutes. Enjoy. Guys, a full list of ingredients is in the description below, but to start off with, we'll need mushrooms, spinach, chopped white onion, chopped bell pepper, garlic, fresh thyme, sun-dried tomatoes, chicken breast. Guys, we're going to start off with our chicken. So first off, I'm just going to beat one egg. I'm just going to set that egg aside for a second, and we're just going to move over to our chicken. Guys, I'm using 2 chicken breasts here. Traditionally, Tuscan chicken is made with bone chicken, so chicken thighs, chicken legs. However, I'm doing a quicker version with chicken breast. So I'm just going to slice into these. So we have 4 medium-sized fillets, and they're going to hopefully cook in about 20 minutes, and we should have some really nice tender chicken. Right guys, I'm just going to top my chicken breast with a little bit of plastic wrap. I'm going to get my meat tenderizer and I'm just going to gently tap into my chicken breast. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and flour our chicken breast directly. Just gently flour it and give it a good season, salt and pepper, and then just tap it all in and make sure the chicken is fully coated with that seasoned flour. Yep, and then flip over the other side and repeat the process. Perfect, that's our first stage done. Just wash my hands real quick. I'm just going to move this chicken to one side just for a second, and we're going to go in with our whipped egg. Just a touch of water just to loosen it up slightly. Right guys, I'm going to go ahead and add some more flour to a tray here. Just a touch of olive oil to my pan, which is now on the heat. Right, go ahead and season your flour. So I'm going to go in with some salt and some pepper. Okay, I'm going to go straight in, and I'm going to go in with my chicken breast, into my egg wash, both sides, and straight into my flour, and just going on both sides, reflour my chicken, and then go straight on the pan on a medium heat. And this is going to give us a beautiful crispy outer layer of our chicken, and it's going to protect that chicken from overcooking, and that flour is going to help thicken the sauce. So multiple reasons why we flour the chicken. Right, chicken's in the pan, let me just wash up. Right, our chicken breast has been on the pan for about 3.5 minutes. Let's go ahead and give them a flip. Perfect, that looks lovely. Beautiful. Lovely colour there, wonderful. Okay, that looks perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for, and that's 3.5 minutes on that side. Right, while the chicken continues doing its thing, I'm going to prep the rest of my ingredients. Right, let's give our garlic a nice fine slice, and I've got 4 mushrooms, which I'm just going to give a medium slice to. I'm going to be using fresh thyme for this recipe, which goes wonderfully with chicken and with mushrooms. And I've got 1 chestnut mushroom here left over from yesterday, so that's going in as well. Perfect, so all of my ingredients are pretty much ready to go in the pan. Right, our chicken is looking perfect. It's ready to be removed from the pan. And we're just going to set this aside until our sauce is complete. Right, in the same pan, a touch more olive oil. And we go straight in with our chopped onions. And that's 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Just give that a quick saute. And we're going to go straight in with our peppers. Peppers and onions, what a picture. Beautiful. Right, just let these soften up slightly. Right, we're going to go ahead and add some salt just to help everything along. A touch of pepper. Just a tiny sprinkling of granulated garlic at this stage. I haven't even added the fresh garlic yet. I just want the granulated for now. Right, our sauté is coming along very nicely, and we're ready for our garlic. Right, go ahead and add your fresh garlic. Right, we're looking good. While our sauté is doing its thing, I'm just going to get some of my sun-dried tomatoes, which you all know I'm a huge fan of. I'm just going to place them on my board and just give them a rough chop. Right, these are going to go straight in. Right, I'm also at this stage going to add the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes, and your mushrooms are going to absorb all of that sun-dried tomato oil and the flavour from the thyme coming through. Right, mushrooms in, and at this stage I want another hit of pepper, a good sprinkling of salt, a good whack of paprika, and then just give everything a good saute. We're going for big, bold, intense flavors here. Right, our saute is looking amazing. Just look at that color, looks outstanding. And that right now is just packed with so much flavor. Adding that sun-dried tomato oil really makes a big difference. And I'm going with a heaped tablespoon of tomato puree. And we're just gonna let that cook out. It's one of them dishes where as you're cooking it, and you're adding all the flavors and you're adding all the ingredients and you're getting all the aromas, you just know it's going to be immense. Right, we've cooked that tomato puree right out and you've got this beautiful, rich, deep red color. And we're time to add some of our white wine. So we're going for just a nice half a glass of white wine. And you don't need like expensive wine, just like a wine that you would drink, you know, not a horrible wine, not a cooking wine especially, but just like a nice drinking wine. Right, give that a good stir in, let that alcohol cook right out. Just let that cook out, and at this stage I'm just going to go ahead and add some more of my thyme. And you want to cook that wine out for about 3-4 minutes. Make sure that all the alcohol is burned off and that aroma is just infused in the dish. Right, all that wine is now infused our dish and completely cooked out. Then we're ready for our chicken stock. Right, we're going to go ahead and add half a pint of our chicken stock. Beautiful. Right, we're almost there now. We're about 15 minutes into this dish. We're almost finished. This is looking and smelling amazing. Right, let's let this sauce just simmer down a little bit before we add our chicken and our cream to the pot. Right, we're letting our sauce really simmer down now. It's looking amazing. And it's got that beautiful glisten and that beautiful shine, which is exactly what you want. So we're ready now to add our double cream and our spinach. And in goes 2 tablespoons of our double cream. And that's just going to give everything a beautiful richness, depth and flavor. Give that a good stir. Right guys, last couple of stages now. We're going to go in with some garlic and herb cream cheese, and that's going to thicken everything up and just give it a big boost of flavor. Right, this looks perfect. Let's go in with some of our spinach. So I'm going in with 1 handful of spinach. Just get that into the sauce. The spinach is going to release a bit of water, which is okay at this stage. Right guys, our spinach is now cooked, wilted into our sauce. It's looking amazing, and we're ready to go back in with our chicken. So happy with how this is looking. At this stage, just let the chicken and the sauce just get to know each other. I'm going to top some of our sauce onto our chicken. Just make sure all the flavors kind of get to know each other. But that looks perfect. That's my Tuscany style chicken in 20 minutes. Outstanding flavor, so beautiful color. I'm so happy with that. Right guys, I'm going to do my official taste test, but I'm actually serving this with my family today. So instead of plating up, I'm just going to try it with this beautiful loaf of bread. So we're going to be eating this with some mashed potatoes, and my niece wants some French fries. So I'm going to be making some fries with this, which is fine. But just for me, right now, just to test it, I'm going to go in with some bread, right? Man, that's good. This is so good. I might not make it to the dinner table. I'm not going to say too much about this dish. It's outstanding. It's one of them ones where you just got to try it. I'm going to go and serve this with my family, but before I do, I'd just like to say, if you enjoy my content, if you like my videos, give us a thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, hit notifications, and leave a comment below. Guys, this isn't just delicious, it's absolutely effing delicious. So good.